Renault Modus 2009, all keys lost. This is the remote using Autel and we connect to the internet. So we'll put the key in the ignition, turn it on, turn that down. So, MO, accept. Renault. Automatic. Read. Okay. Pre-2012. Yes. Control unit, immobilizer can, immobilizer, remote control learning. Switch hazards on and off. Okay. Keys not available will be deleted. Do you want to continue? Yes, it's all keys lost. Remove key. Okay. Insert key, switch ignition on. Okay. Program successful, will program more keys. No. Keys programmed 1. Cycle key, start ignition to complete procedure. Take the key out. Key in. On. Out. Switch on. So there we have it. All keys lost. Renault Modus 2009, and the central lock-in should be automatic.